In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a member login in Squarespace. By following a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to set up an exclusive area on your website for members to access. This is a great way to offer premium content, build a community, or protect sensitive information for your audience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Page section of your Squarespace site. This is your main hub for managing and organizing the different sections and pages of your website. Accessing this area is crucial because it's where you make any necessary additions or modifications to your site. Once you're in the Pages section, look for an option that says Add. This is typically located near the top or side of the interface, and it's marked clearly. Clicking on it opens up a world of possibilities. You'll see options for different types of pages and features that can enhance your website's functionality. Our focus, of course, will be on the Member Login section. Following this, click on the option that says Member Site. This choice is specially designed to accommodate the creation of password-protected pages that only specific visitors can access. By selecting this, you're gearing up to establish a secure and exclusive zone on your website for your members. After selecting the Member Site option, you'll have the opportunity to choose a member site template. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully designed templates catered towards different purposes and styles. Take your time to browse and select one that aligns with the overall aesthetic and functionality you imagine for your site. Now, it's important to note that enabling a member login feature often requires a specific pricing plan with Squarespace. Double-check the details of your current subscription and ensure you have the necessary plan to support member areas. Plan descriptions typically clarify which features are included, so if you're looking to upgrade or confirm your plan, be sure to review those details. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a member login section for your Squarespace site. This will not only help you offer specialized content, but also strengthen your relationship with your audience by providing them with a secure and personalized experience. Whether you're using this for exclusive articles, a community forum, or other ventures, having a member area is a fantastic addition. If you have any questions or run into issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for help through Squarespace's support resources. They offer comprehensive guides and support agents who can further assist if necessary. Good luck with your new member login, and I hope it adds tremendous value to your site.